This is the Vuminbox Baby Bandana Drool Bib. It has beautiful designs, as you can see. It is made of very soft 100% cotton, which is very absorbent, and so it'll keep your baby dry and stop it from having irritated skin during this difficult teething process. At the back, there are two nickel-free fasteners, once again keeping your baby's safety in mind. And also, it has a wonderful toy here that your baby can chew on to relieve some of that pain. And it is fastened also to the bib so that it doesn't fall on the ground and collect a lot of bacteria. And we all know the kids love to put things in their mouths, so this is a very, very good design.